A cappuccino is a popular coffee drink made with equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and milk foam. It has a strong coffee flavor, balanced by the creamy texture of the milk and foam on top. It's often served in a small cup, usually around 6 ounces I. Choose your beans. The famous types of coffee beans are Arabica, Robusta, Liberica, and Excelsa. However, Arabica and Robusta are the most common and popular in the world. In terms of brands, we can choose Illy, Lavazza, Segafredo, or any other coffee. Grind the beans instantly and pour 7.5 grams coffee powder for single shot and 15 grams coffee powder for double shot to the port filter.
Brew from the automatic or non-automatic machine and get 30 milliliters espresso for single shot or 60 milliliters espresso for double shot. Heat the milk and then froth it directly with the frother until you get fine foam. Temperature required 65 degrees Celsius for ultimate test. Add froth with espresso on top slowly and create your own design.